Welcome back to AI News Today. I'm your host, and today is June 2nd, 2026. We have three major stories lined up for you. Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 4.8. An omni-modal AI use case went completely viral this week. And scientists are now using AI to translate what your dog is actually saying. Let's get into it. Here's what we're covering today. Story 1. Claude Opus 4.8, Anthropic's most powerful model yet just landed. Story 2. The Omni Use-Case, a multimodal AI demo broke the internet this week. And Story 3. The dog translator, because why not? Stick around, it's a good one. Alright, Story 1. Anthropic just released Claude Opus 4.8. And it's their most capable model to date. If you've been following the Claude lineup, Opus is the flagship. The top-tier model in the family, and this update pushes it even further ahead. So what's new? First, it's available right now via the Anthropic API. Second, it's the model powering Claude Code's fast mode. Which means if you're using Claude for coding, you're already benefiting from this upgrade. And third, early benchmarks show major improvements in reasoning, coding, and following complex multi-step instructions. Anthropic is in a seriously tight race right now with OpenAI and Google. And Opus 4.8 keeps them right at the front of the pack. Let me break down why Opus 4.8 actually matters for you. On benchmarks, it's hitting 95% on human eval for coding, 92% on MMLU for reasoning, 88% on math, and a whopping 97% on long context tasks. Those are frontier numbers. What does that mean in practice? You'll get faster, smarter answers in Claude Code fast mode. Agentic workflows, where the AI takes multiple steps to complete a task, are noticeably better. The model is also much better at following complex instructions without going off the rails. And Anthropic says they've improved safety while reducing hallucinations. Bottom line, if you haven't tried Opus 4.8 yet, it's worth a look today. Story 2, and this one is big. The Omni AI Era is officially here. This week, a demo went viral showing an AI system combining vision, voice, and text, all at the same time, in real time. And the wild thing is this isn't a research prototype. These capabilities are shipping in actual products today. Omnimodal AI means the model can see your screen, listen to your voice, and respond by speaking back, all simultaneously, with no lag. Think about what that unlocks. Let me give you some real use cases that are going mainstream right now. Live meeting translation. An AI sits in your meeting, hears everything in one language, and speaks back in another, in real time. Real-time video understanding. Point a camera at anything, and the AI narrates what it sees out loud. Screen-aware coding assistance. The AI literally watches your IDE and talks you through fixes as you type. Emotion detection from video calls. And AI customer support agents that can see, hear, and type simultaneously. This is not science fiction anymore. Companies are shipping this stuff right now, in 2026. The question is, what will you build with it? Okay, Story 3, and I promise this is real. Researchers have built an AI that can translate dog sounds. Yes, you heard that right. Barks, whines, growls, all decoded into actual meanings. The team trained a machine learning model on over 10,000 hours of dog audio recordings. They mapped different sound patterns to emotional states, like happy, anxious, bored, hungry, and playful. The accuracy in lab conditions? 85%. And they're launching a consumer app in Q3 of this year. Your dog has been trying to tell you something for years. Now you might actually be able to understand them. Here's what the AI actually learned to decode. A short, sharp bark means, alert, or hey, pay attention to me. A low growl signals warning or discomfort, with 94% confidence. A high-pitched whine? That's anxiety, or your dog wanting something. Rapid happy barks, excited, it's playtime. And a soft howl means your dog is lonely and seeking attention. Now, is this perfect? No. Dog communication is complex and varies by breed. But 85% accuracy is genuinely impressive for a first-generation system. And with more data, this will only get better. Pet tech is officially an AI battleground in 2026. Before we wrap up, here's your quick hit roundup of everything else that happened in AI this week. OpenAI dropped GPT-5 Turbo with a 2 million token context window. Google Gemini 2.5 Ultra just topped the LMS Arena leaderboard. So the model wars are absolutely raging right now. Meta released new safety filters that block 99.4% of jailbreak attempts. On the science side, AI discovered a new antibiotic compound in just 72 hours. That could save lives. And Apple Intelligence 2.0 is launching on iOS 20 devices. Big week. Every week is a big week in AI right now. And that's your AI news for today. Claude Opus 4.8 keeps Anthropic at the frontier. Omni AI is no longer a future thing, it's a now thing. And yes, we may finally be able to understand what our dogs are saying. If you found this useful, hit that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's roundup. And drop a comment below, I want to hear which story you found most interesting. I'll see you next time.